What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Chop. Today's video will be a bit different. It's gonna be sweet, creamy, and with caffeine. That's right, guys, it's dessert time. We'll be making the famous tiramisu. All right, let's talk about these ingredients for this cake. You're gonna need 3 eggs. We're only gonna be using the yolk for this dessert. You're gonna need 2 packs of vanilla sugar, 500 milliliters of heavy whipping cream. You're going to use half a bottle of imitation rum extract, 275 grams of mascarpone, 60 ladyfingers. Make sure you have some extras just in case you mess up on a few of them, and a fresh pot of coffee. Let's put this all together and see what we get. Okay guys, we're going to start with the whipping cream first. Grab a large size bowl and add in your container of heavy whipping cream. Now, using a mixer, mix the whipping cream until it's nice and thick. It's gonna be so thick that if you tilt or tip the bowl, it's not even gonna move. So that's how thick you want it to be. Alright, there you go, guys. It's gonna look something like this. So you tilt it over, it doesn't even move. Perfect. Now, set it aside in the fridge, and we'll start the second part. For the second part, you'll need a small bowl. Inside the small bowl, add in your 3 egg yolks. Add in 3 tablespoons of sugar. You're going to add in your 2 packs of vanilla sugar. You're going to add in the half bottle of rum extract. There you go. Now you want to add in your 275 grams of mascarpone. Using a whisk or your mixer, you want to combine these in together. It's going to look something like that. Alright, now that we have the small bowl finished as well now we're going to add the small bowl inside the big bowl. Like that. Now using a whisk, you're going to combine the two together. Once you've done that, set it in the fridge, and then we can start making the base of the cake. Grab a deep tray or container. I'm using a flat container like the one you see here. Also, you want to grab out your ladyfingers and your fresh pot of coffee. Now we're going to do the base of the cake. So what you want to do is you want to set 20 ladyfingers in 2 rows of 10 like this. Then with each individual ladyfinger, you want to dip it into your pot of coffee. You want to put the coffee in a container that's going to be big enough for you to dip the ladyfingers in, just like how I have it here. So what you want to do with each individual ladyfinger, you're going to want to dip the ladyfinger in the coffee, but you're going to want to do it quick enough so that it doesn't absorb too much coffee so that it gets too soft. So just watch me. So nice and quick, just like that, and then you're going to set it back. If you dip it and you let it sit too long, it's going to get too soft and might cause a problem when you're trying to build the cake. So grab your ladyfinger, dip it in real quick, and then just set it back. Again, real quick. Alright, so it's going to look something like that once you're done. Now that you finish that, now you want to grab your whipping cream, and you want to place it. So you want to do a layer of whipping cream. You want it about ½ an inch thick. I'm just going to spread it like this. Alright, so it's going to look something like that. Now, we're just going to repeat the same steps 2 more times. Alright, so once you have your 3 layers, it's going to look something like this. Now, you're just going to add a thin layer of whipping cream just on top. And on the sides of the cake, we're going to cover the whole cake with whatever whipping cream we have left. Alright, so it's going to look something like that. Now, I'm going to add a little bit of cocoa on top for a little bit of decoration. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. And that's that, everyone. Look at this beautiful and delicious tiramisu. If this video helped you or you really enjoyed it, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to check out my Facebook page at Cooking House to You. Don't forget to leave me a like. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. We'll see you guys next time right here on Chop. Peace.